Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create California DMV account online. So, first, head over to dmv.ca.gov. Next, at the top corner of your screen, click on My DMV. And from here, just look for the Create an Account link and click on it. This will redirect you to the account registration page. And as you can see, there are 5 steps that you have to go through to complete your account creation, starting by entering an email address. Then proceed by clicking on continue. On step 2, a confirmation link will then be sent on your email address. Just head over to your mail and click on the confirmation link. So we're just going to click on this link. You will then be redirected on the step 3. So just enter in your first name and last name and also phone number. Then just proceed by clicking on continue. You will then be asked to confirm your phone number by entering the code sent to your phone number. Just follow all the on screen prompts to finish creating your account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.